Hi folks, it's Mike White with XcartGuru. Well, I'm here to introduce to you my new Frequently Asked Questions module. So I'm pretty excited to do this. This should be my first module that actually gets released for XCart 5. So I'm here in the admin of XCart and I'm going to upload the add-on. You may be installing this from the XCart Marketplace. So there we go. I just select the module and open it and install add-on. Okay, so we'll let that rebuild cache and I'll be right back. Okay, installation is complete. We have one new module installed. So the first thing I'd like to show you is that this creates a new section in the admin under Content for FAQ. Now let's also look at the Content Menu section. This is driven by the Simple CMS module. And if that module is enabled, it will have created an FAQ entry right in your menu right for you. Let's just take a peek at the storefront. And we should have that new entry, FAQ. And clicking on it, we're going to find out that no FAQ entries exist. Alright, so let's add some. I'll show you how easy this is. We just go to Content, FAQ, and we click New Question. This is your first question. And this is your first answer. Now, if we had multiple questions we wanted to create at once, we can just use the great feature of XCart 5 to just keep clicking new question. It'll keep asking, opening up new sections for us. Let's go ahead and save changes. And we'll take a look back at that front side and see if we indeed have a question. There we go. And the questions have this nice drop-down ability. So it just expands and contracts. And we have little icons indicating that that's how that's working. Alright, well I'm going to add some more entries and we'll just take a look at how they lay out. Okay, so now I've created some more questions and answers. And I just want to show you how the sorting works. If you just pull it down and then click Save Changes, then it will respect the sort order that you have. It's default to the way XCart 5 works. So let's go view these new questions on the front side and just learn a little bit more about how this works. Here we have our first question, just the same as before. And this one is, what if I wanted to ask a very long question that ate up so much space it wrapped to a new line? Well, you see it centers, and it still looks quite legible. And that's fine. And here's a long answer to go with a long question. All right, what about using HTML in my answers? Sure, you can use HTML. You can make a list. You can do bold text. You could try a block quote. All right. Can answers include pictures and links? Why, yes, they can. Even linked pictures. Okay, now let me show you this Expand All and Collapse All button. When you click Collapse All, it collapses all of them. If you expand all, it does just what you'd expect. So if you just have one question collapse and you have some expanded already, it's going to expand all the rest of them. Okay, so now what if you didn't want to show that button? That's the one setting we have for this module. Going back to our installed modules page, we're just going to scroll down and find the FAQ module and click Settings. And you'll see the one setting we have. So we can uncheck to show the Expand All, Collapse All button. And if we visit the front side again, that button is gone. Okay, well that's about all I have for you. It's quite simple. It's an easy to use and simplistic module that I think will fill a need that a lot of us have in our carts. Alright, Mike White signing off. Good luck to you and all your e-commerce efforts. Talk to you soon.